Hi everyone.
Hey everyone, it's Mo from the Toronto Concussion Clinic, and today we're going to show you how to perform the Serratus Anterior push exercise. So the Serratus Anterior, it's like a finger-like muscle. It runs along the side. You might have noticed them sometimes with bodybuilders under their pec. And what we tend to notice clinically is that oftentimes this is a muscle that's weakened. So what does that mean? The scapula is like a big plate along the back of the shoulder. And what we tend to notice through either internal rotation of the shoulder, through prolonged like desk time or something of the sort, we tend to find that the shoulder rotates inwards. And what happens as a result of that is the scapula starts to come outwards a little bit more. In our experience, this leads to a couple things, but mainly it leads to the weakening of the Serratus Anterior muscle. So the exercise that we're going to perform today is designed to not only shorten the length of the muscle, but actually to strengthen it so that you can maintain that lower part of the scapula of your upper quadrant down and in. So in this exercise, I want us to lie down on our back, and if you've gone through the diaphragmatic breathing course, you'll know that you're supposed to load the diaphragm by taking your diaphragmatic breath. We also want to ensure that the chin is nicely tucked, and if you need a quick reminder, there's a chin tuck video available to you as well. And when you're performing this maneuver, you're not at 90 degrees as though my arm is straight out. You're actually at 100 degrees, a little bit further towards your head. And the name of the game is pretty simple. Bring the arm into the sky. And you'll notice there's two ways to do this. I can either bring my shoulder into the sky, which is counterproductive. It's not what we want to do. The other thing we can do is place our hand along the serratus and imagine as though these muscles are shortening, which drives the arm into the sky. If you'd like, you can externally rotate a little. And that's it. That's the Serratus Anterior push.
The reason why Mo goes a little bit past 90 degrees, if it goes like to 100 or 110, is because it helps isolate for that muscle. And although we don't really like to use muscles in isolation when we're doing sports or functional activities, for a lot of people, just to like feel it turn on and become familiar with how to use that muscle, that's how we do it. And if you notice also, his elbow is locked, so it's perfectly straight. So any movement is coming from that area that he just showed you. So it kind of feels like you're moving your whole shoulder blade up, and you'll even notice like your chest wall will kind of angle up towards your face as you're doing it. And so we find this is a really important exercise in teaching people also how to use their neck efficiently, so it can reduce neck tension and all the problems that people get with neck issues. Thanks, Mo.
Awesome. So we'll leave it to you, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.